I think this represents who we are. We have built a cutting-edge 3D printing facility in southern Israel, which prints out thousands of pieces a day for all different types of solutions and needs and wants. A $10,000 drone could have a small piece that breaks and is not usable anymore. Israel Friends has been looking for what can provide the adaptability and flexibility as an organization to give the Army what it needs, and here it is. Here we have an Akti kit. It's a medical piece of equipment. It didn't exist before. We've put this in the pockets of thousands of medics, not only in the IDF, but also across civilian first responders around the country. Here are small little drone components that we have that keep the gimbal and camera safer, provide legs, spider legs for landing. Many times soldiers come to us in despair. They have a key component of their drone or something else that's broken, and it would take weeks or months to replace from abroad. Here, our 3D printing lab steps in, works with them, crafts the part on the computer, prints it and hands it to them within days. And that confidence allows them to go back into the field feeling safe and ready for what's coming next.